Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers from the Google Play Store on your Tecno Spark 2022. So the first one, Firefox. If you see this welcoming screen, just click on the zero mask, and if the background is purple, that means you are in the Incognito mode. But if you have any tab opened before, click on the tab icon, switch to zero mask, and click on the plus private. That's it. The next one, Microsoft Edge. Now you have to click on the tab icon, switch to the in private, and click on the plus. The Google Chrome. Click on the arrow icon or three-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. Simple. Now the Opera, the last one. In this web browser, just click here on the tab icon, switch to the private and add a tab. And now in this mode, your history, cookies, files, completed forms, even learned the word from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.